Hi, Erica McClain here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time. Today we're going to discuss what 9 things you might bring to an open house reveal about you as a home buyer. It's hard not to come up with an image of what a homeowner is like when you stroll through their home during an open house. Everything in the home is a small clue about what makes the people who live there tick. But what you bring with you to the open house says just as much about you as the house says about its owners. Are you a hyper prepared deal maker or a casual browser just here for the free cookies? So here are 9 slightly exaggerated homebuyer personalities based upon what they bring to an open house. First, a clipboard. That says you're not only super organized, you're a serious buyer. You've mapped out the entire day of open houses you want to hit and have a printout of each one in chronological order. You will be an amazing buyer who never misses a deadline and has a smooth transaction from start to finish. Second, a measuring tape. You have a ridiculously large piece of furniture that you're really attached to and are concerned about whether it will fit exactly where you want it in your new home. You will look at dozens, if not hundreds, of homes that never quite have the perfect space or place to put it, and will eventually decide that you can just buy new furniture that fits in a house you eventually fall in love with. The third, a huge tote bag. Open houses are a great place to cash in on the free giveaways, like branded water bottles, pens, keychains. You've come well prepared to load up on any freebies, and possibly a handful of the freshly baked cookies sitting right there on the kitchen island. The fourth, nothing. You're a neighbor who just wanted to take an opportunity to see what they've done with the place and probably chime in on how they're asking too much and will never get close to their asking price. However, you'll also mention that your house is a lot nicer, which means you could probably sell for 10% more than they're asking, but you're not going anywhere anytime soon. You're staying, but no plans to move. Okay, well, good luck selling this place. I have to head back home before the game starts. Then, number 5, a fancy cup of coffee. You're just starting to think about buying a house. You had no real plans for the day and decided to go for a drive, grab a cup of coffee, and just take a peek at a few open houses, just to see what's out there. Then there's number 6. You keep your sunglasses on inside unless the natural light spilling into the house is as amazing as the listing says it is. You're hiding behind those glasses, hoping the agent doesn't recognize you from a few years back when you asked them to show you houses for 3 months straight and then ghosted them. Or maybe you're just a celebrity. Number 7, a toddler. Oh, you're serious about buying a house because nobody brings a toddler into someone else's home to let them unleash their terror without good reason. But it could also be that the kid won't nap and you just needed to get out of your own house for a freaking minute of sanity and adult conversation. But good luck with that while you're trying to wrangle a wriggling kid in your arms. Then there's number 8. Your dog, whatever house you buy, needs to fit the needs of your 4-legged friend as much, if not more, than the owner in order for you to seriously consider it. Then there's number 9, your agent's business card. You're the dream buyer, loyal, professional, and ready to make sure the agent hosting the open house respects that relationship. They'll respect it, but that doesn't mean they won't wish you were their client. So there you have it. Those are the 9 things that get revealed about people coming into open houses. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe, ring the bell. I hope you'll be back for more videos. I hope you found this one a little entertaining. But thanks for watching, and I'll say bye for now.